Now, Picasso was a huge influence on me when in the 90s. And then I got into surrealism with artists like Salvador Dali, Yves Tanguy, Joan Miro. Actually, one of my earliest paintings that I found in the house is this one. This one here dates from December 1990, and I was an avid skateboarder. I love skateboarding. I started skateboarding in around 1987, 1988, and kept going with it until about 1995. Skateboard doing an ollie tail grab 1 foot. But you can see my details aren't quite as defined. The only one I have here dated from 1994 is this one, titled My Mind, the Flowing Grace, and it's a photograph of my mother. Inside the hair is an elephant. I don't know if you can see it. There's an elephant in there. There's a fish, which becomes an eel. There's the eye. There's an eagle. There's a bit of a landscape coming up. The fetus child is in the womb here, and it's all connected. There's a big castle, and it's got this blue ribbon going through it. And it's got all these sections of circles going through that could be connected kind of like a puzzle piece. And it's building blocks to get to your successful points in life, to reach your goals, you know. You know how I do my ladders? My ladders represent the building blocks of getting up to reach your goals. So yeah, this is influenced by Vincent van Gogh, which was a French Impressionist painter. But anyway, in 1995-96, I started getting influenced by some pop culture, such as Keith Haring was. It still is one of my top favorite artists of the 20th century. I think Keith Haring, Jean-Michel Basquiat, those two have really influenced me. My style kind of has like a tribal-esque kind of feel to it. It's hard to decipher what my style is like. This year in 2010, I've been experimenting more with spray paints, markers. I've been using text in my painting, just random text that I throw in there. As my style started to develop more, I started experimenting with different paints. I've done a technique similar to Jackson Pollock with the dripping paints, where I instead of just being all abstract and obscure about it, I control the drips, and you know, I make faces out of it. I'm not actually touching the canvas, but I'm just dripping the paint directly from the can onto the canvas. So anyway, that was a little moment with RAEART.